So this is the Kano Computer Kit and the Kano Screen Kit. We're going to be unboxing and assembling both kits and then putting them together to one supercomputer. We're going to start with the computer kit, then we'll do the screen kit. This is the computer kit, and then we have the screen kit. So we're doing the computer kit first. We open this up. We have the keyboard, the memory chip, the charger, the computer itself, a case, 2 wires to hook up to any screen, and a speaker. So we're going to put some of this aside for right now. And get out the instructions. These are the instructions to build the entire thing. So these are all the pieces. First says, "This is your computer. It is tiny but powerful. Let's give it a brain. New powers. Grab the memory card, then slide it out of the memory card case." We have it right here. Next step is turn the brain over, slide the memory card in. So I'm going to take it here, orientate it correctly, and we're just going to slide it in. To keep it strong and safe, let's make a case. Grab the sides and line them up. So this goes this way, goes like this. Put this inside, line them up correctly, slide them together until they click. Now you have a brain with armor and memory. Let's give it a voice. Pick up the speaker, which is this right here. Flip it over. These parts work together to sing songs. The computer can turn electricity into sound and light. Let's borrow electrical power from these 2 pins. Make sure you connect it like this. Choose the pins carefully. We're going to put this down, orientate it correctly so we have it like this. Looks like. Flip this over. And it's the second pin and the third pin. So do it like this. We have that. Now clip the speaker to the case. Looks like it's this way. Now it's together. Plug in the blue cable. So this is the cable they're talking about, and we plug it into here. Amazing, a cool computer that can rock out. Now we are going to put this away, and we are going to build the screen kit. I'm gonna just put this back in the box for right now to do the screen kit. Now we're gonna put this off to the side, lift this out.
And we'll be right back.
We'll be right back. Now it's time to build the screen kit. So we are going to open this up. We have the instructions, like we did before. That's the actual screen. Have it here. Now let's get this box off to the side. And on top of the screen, there's a protected film that says, "Can you see them yet?" But inside the square are 10,000 pixels and billions of liquid crystals ready to bring them to life. So that's pretty cool. We got cables that looked like the other ones from the computer. And we have some more cables. And let's open up the instructions book. This is actually a magnifying glass to look at the pixels. So you can actually see the pixels with this, which is kind of cool. So we have the instructions for the screen kit now. Let's open these up. Screen, module, and stand. These are all the pieces, like you saw me take out. It first says, think about all the screens in your life. They come in all shapes and sizes. But do you know how they work? Let's find out by making one. Before screens, computers communicate in other ways. The first computers printed messages, punch cards. Then they typed messages and automatic typers. In the 1960s, computers started using screens. Back then, they were big, boxy, like old TVs. Recently, screens have shrunk. Now you can hold them in your hands. Pick the black screen module, which is this. Flip it over. So we have to flip this over to this. The driver board is the screen's command center. Grab the magnifying glass, which is this. Use your magnifying glass to take a closer look. So you'd use this to look at all the parts in it. Every second, the computer center gets millions of messages from your computer and passes them on to your screen. Like any good command center, it needs to be fortified. Grab the plastic cover, which is this. Start by clicking the left edge into the two holes closest to the side. Make sure it clicks in. So we have to take these two into those little holes. I don't know if you can see that. And we have to line them up. line. Now we have the case on that. Now it says, now grab the plastic stand, which is this. Press down to attach to the screen. So we take this here, line everything up. Now that we have that done, it says, let's give our screen some feet to stand on. Peel off these sticky silicone feet. So we have to go into this bag, and they're talking about these. So it has little outlines where to put them, which is what I'm gonna do. So peel this off like this, and then we're going to carefully line it up, the outline, like that. Now we're gonna do it again on this side. Going to line that up, stick it on. I'm gonna do it 2 more times. Now we have to orientate this like the outline. Got that on there. Then we have one more. There are a few extras just in case. There we go on that. Stick them around the edges of your stand at the base and at the base of your screen module. To control the screen's power, we'll need some buttons. So they're talking about this right here. And that cable is right here. We have Velcro to attach that. Plug the connector cable into the button board. So we take the button board, take this cable. Looks like we line this up here. One second. Can I have a hand?
Sure.
There we go. So we got that on. Time for the next step. Plug the other end of the cable into the command center. So it's those right there. So we have to, looks like, take it like this and push it in. Now we have that in. It says grab the Velcro, like I showed you before, and peel off one side. Only peel off one side. Stick the Velcro on the back of the button board. So we have to carefully stick this on the button board. Want to line it up perfectly. There we go. Stick the button board to the screen, press it in place. So now I have to peel off the other side. And we have to do this. This is what it says. Then we put this down after. There we go. Next, grab the short HDMI cable, which is the yellow one, inside here. So we're going to take it out of its plastic wrapping here. It says, this cable will carry pictures from your computer to your screen. Your computer will send a long list of millions of numbers through the cable 60 times per second. Plug one end to the HDMI cable into the command center. So, goes like this. Plug that in. And now let me get my computer, which is right here. Plug the other end into your Kano. So, looks like the plug is right here. We take this up and plug that in. Now let's add electricity. Grab the power splitter USB cable, which is this cable. I have to put this down for right now. To take this out of its plastic wrapping, which will just slip right off. And the reason it's called a power splitter is because it will split the power. So, grab your red power adapter, which I put over here in this box. So, it's right here. And plug the big end of your splitter cable into the power adapter. So, when they talk about big ends, they're meaning this end and not one of these. There's a difference. Then you take this and plug it into there. Simple. Next step is plug one of the small ends into your command center. So we take one of the small ends. I'm gonna lift this up. Hard to fit in here now. Now that's plugged in. Now plug the other small end into your Kano. So we're going to get this end and find the spot for it. Okay, so it's right there. Snap your Kano into the back of the screen. So this cables are so short. They're tangled, so it goes like this. And that just snaps into there, like that. Success. Then the first time you use the screen, keep it laying down. Once your computer comes to life, you can flip the viewing mode in settings. Peel off the screen protector.
We'll be right back.
So off screen, I did a little cable managing. to make it look nicer. And now we have to add the keyboard itself. So we are going to take this wireless dongle out of it and plug it into one of the USB ports on the computer. And it looks like it goes this way. Now that we have that plugged in, we can use the keyboard. And now we are going to plug it into the power brick, and we are going to boot it up for the first time. So we are going to have it up here, and in the instructions it did say to peel this off. Then we put this over there, and now we can turn it on for the first time. So the on button is on the keyboard right there. And hopefully it turns on. We got light now. And if we wanted, we could do this, but looks like it is on and it is booting up, which is good. And actually in the back on the computer, we actually have some lights, which is cool. And the code's supposed to be down for the first time. It says, "Hello, thanks for bringing me to life. Now let's see what we can do. What is your name?" So I'm going to type in my name. Just my first name. And enter. And nice to meet you, Brian. Did you know your new computer's brain is made of millions of electrical switches? Press enter to see what switches do. So I'm gonna press enter. And these switches speak in ones and zeros. This is called binary code. Press enter to keep exploring. Words, music, and pictures all get stored as binary code. And does your computer's secret password 0110101001110111111. Type the secret password in human letters.